How to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account to take a break from Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Facebook. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then head over to the menu option on the bottom right. Then after you're here, tap on the settings icon on the top right. After you tap on it, you'll find Meta's Account Center. Tap on See More in Account Center, and you should be on your Account Center by Meta. Right here, scroll down. There you'll find your password and security, personal details. So then, head over to personal details. After you're there, simply tap on account ownership and control. Tap on it. And after you do that, there you'll find deactivation or deletion. Tap on that. And now all you need to do is choose your Facebook account. And here you'll find two options. One is deactivating your account. The other is deleting. Make sure that you select deactivating since it's temporary and deleting is permanent. Tap on continue. And after you do that, tap on continue again. And after you tap on continue, all you have to do is type in the password for your account and tap on continue, and your account will get deactivated. And it's that simple. And if you want to reactivate your account, all you have to do is log in into your Facebook once and you're good. And that's how you temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.